We believe in doing well by doing good. We have decided to put the vast roof spaces of shopping centers to good use and install solar plants at the retail investments of the Momentum Direct Property Fund. We have cumulatively invested more than 2.1 billion from our shareholder portfolio in renewable energy projects in terms of onshore wind and solar photovoltaic. We are already reducing 6,732 tons of CO2 emissions, which is the average annual emission of 969 individuals. Did you know that South Africa has 73% sunlight hours during the day?
Johannesburg has plenty of sun. It's one of the top in the country.
Yeah.
The tariffs that you're offsetting here are particularly high. But really, solar works anywhere in South Africa now. 8 years ago, 9 years ago, everyone thought solar power couldn't pay for itself, that it was a technology that was a nice to have.
Yeah.
Today, you see it as a way to really enhance your assets, to find untapped potential and untapped revenue within your buildings, within your shopping mall, within your factory. Eris brings the roof space, the tenants, the load, and the ability for us to take our skill set and their skill set and marry the two to create an investment that is quite compelling for the shareholders.
The property portfolio has embraced the net zero target by 2050. We believe it's quite achievable via a combination of investment into smart technology as well as further renewables within the fund via solar. We believe it could be achievable even before 2050 should government legislation allow us to sell surplus power into the national grid.
Supporting and growing our economy at every level is a key driver of building a better future for all. Because with us, investing is personal.